Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a very quick unbagging video for you guys. It is the afternoon here and I've been running around with my kids, cooking dinner, doing baths, but I wanted to unbag these bags while I have a chance because one of them has a bag in there for a friend of mine and she's dying to know what it's like. So I do have two packages today that I wanted to give you a first opinion on. I have the Azaria backpack diaper bag in black, and I have never seen the Azaria bags in real life, so I'm pretty excited to see what they're like and my first impressions about it. One of those bags is actually going off to my friend. She ordered as well in Australia, so she's pretty excited. And I just have another order from a customs lady, one of my friends who did a mini Super Bee for me, so I thought I'd show you guys what I thought about that because I've never seen this mini Super Bee before either. So I have actually opened them up and I haven't looked inside yet. So the Azaria bag took about a week or so to get to us, but I did do the fast shipping. We halved it, so that's a nice thing about having a good friend who is willing to do that with me, and I'm just going to post it on to her, so that's fine. So here they are here. There are two bags in here. I'll just open one. I'll leave the other one for her to open because I know she's really excited. Okay, so I was tossing up between the black and the chestnut, but I ended up going with the black because I don't really have any black bags. So it comes in a plastic bag like this. These are similar to the Fawn Design and the Miss Fong bag that I already have. I also have a freshly picked one on the way. I'm kind of trying it on all these different backpacks. Comes in a dust bag like this. There's no writing. Oh no, there's no writing on this one. There's no drawstring either, which I'm kind of surprised about. So most of the bags that I've had come in dust bags have a drawstring at the top, so that's kind of disappointing. This is about the same price as the Fawn Design bags and the freshly picked diaper bags. So they're all around the same. They're all around the same price point. So they are faux. This is a faux leather bag, but it's supposed to be really nice. There's a lot of people I know on YouTube and stuff, mates of mine that have gotten them and really like them. So my child's going crazy in the background, as you can see. Okay, so here it is here. Just took it out of the dust bag. So I'm guessing everything is inside. You open it up and you've got the paper right here. It is summer, by the way, here, so I'm kind of like sweating and everything while I'm doing this. That's why I probably look like crap because there's, you know, there's no makeup left at like 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon. Okay, so there we go. There's the inside. I also got a new camera today too that I'm not recording on. I'm charging it up. I haven't even had a chance to look at my camera yet. I'll do another review on that one, or a little, you know, kind of talk about it later on. So there's the inside of it. So it's a nice kind of beige. I'd say it was beige. And it looks pink in the camera, but in real life to me it looks beige. You've got a key leash here. So it's got matte black hardware, which is nice. So, oh, okay, so here are the backpacks, because so the backpack straps are popped in these side bottle pockets. And this is like, it's got the faux leather at the top and then the seatbelt material down the bottom. And they are on the side, the D-rings here, which is good. I think a lot of people really like the D-rings being on the side. Apparently it's more comfortable. So that's connected. I just connected them up on the side there. So I thought this color looked really nice. It's not a squish. Like I saw Jess Marks of Motherhood, her unboxing, and they'd really squished it into a really small box. Mine's not that squished. Look, it's already shaped out. Maybe because I got it internationally shipped and they put it in a postal bag and not a box. Yeah, so it's got the pocket here. I'm not going to go over everything. You guys have probably seen millions of videos of the Azaria bag if you're like a bag fiend like I am, but I will do a review down the road and show you what I think about it and pack it up. It does have a back pocket, which is nice, the Fawn Design and the regular Fawn Design, not the specialty one that they made, but the regular Fawn Design and the Miss Fong doesn't have that. It does have nice slanted bottle pockets. Now the faux leather, the bag's kind of soft and it's not bad actually. I really like this matte black hardware. That's really, really nice actually. Yeah, it does have a little grab handle, and this is kind of inconspicuous. It falls behind. There's another bag on Amazon that's very similar to the Miss Fong that is exactly the same, but it has a big old grab handle, and people are like, oh, do you like that one? I'm like, no, because it's just huge. It looks, to me it looks weird. I like how you can this one falls behind here and it still has that nice sleek look to it. So you got the Azaria. This is probably going to wear off, I'll be honest. That is just looks like it's painted. It's not embossed, it's just painted on there. So I'm not sure how long that'll last. You got D-rings, and I will do one quick more squiz inside. You got a zip compartment here. All right, so that is the Azaria bag. I think, Mel, I think you're going to like this. I think you will. It's really light too. It's nice. It's kind of like the same weight as the Miss Fong, but it's like 3 times the price. But you know, no, nothing on the bottom. I kind of wish they had feet. I think Jess said that too. So we'll see. Okay, so the other thing I got today was some customs work, as I said that a friend in Queensland did for me. I can put her link down below for any Aussie viewers if you want to. She's got a Facebook page. Check that out. So she did some padded straps for my Be Sporty in Turkey Pops, and these are nicely padded. So I sent her the change pad and she did it out of the change pad. So these ones that you just kind of slip in, so they're not going to be sewn to the backpack strap. I really find these make a huge difference on the Be Sporty. If I use the BFF straps, that is awesome too, but these do make a big difference. So there's those. What else is in here? Oh, so she fixed the zipper. My medium set piece in Rainbow Dreams, the zipper came really sticky, so I sent it to her and she fixed it, so that's pretty cool. I'd be missing my medium set piece. I use this a lot for snacks and toys and everything. All right, and the big thing is the mini Super Bee. So here it is here. This is in electric black. I love this print. So I wasn't using this bag very much, so I thought, hey, I'll send it for minning and I can use it as a handbag. So I might actually use this tomorrow as my handbag just because it's my me day. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so she put D-rings on it too, so I can put a messenger strap on. I asked her to do that. And all she did was take in some off the bottom, probably about this much off the bottom, like was that 2 inches or something off the bottom. And it still has the back pocket. And then the inside is exactly the same with the mesh pockets and the zipper, except she did shorten the key leash, and of course she put a new zip on it because she had to oh, it's really long, really long zip. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I really like that. It's a nice nifty. It might be a nice little quick diaper bag too, because I found the Super Bees are kind of big for me as a diaper bag. They kind of feel huge. I use them as beach bags, pool bags, travel bags, not really as diaper bags. Okay, so those are my 2 things that I got today. The main events, the mini Super Bee and the black gunmetal Azaria. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like them? I think they're pretty cool. So I'll see you guys soon for a video using my new camera that I got. I got a Panasonic Lumix G7. So if you've used that camera before, let me know. I know Sensible Mama, you use that. If anybody else uses them, let me know what you think. So many people say that it's an awesome camera. I was in the dentist this morning and my dad was on the phone saying, oh, I think you should get, and I'm like, Dad, I've already bought one. He was like, oh, what'd you get? And I told him, and the lady sitting waiting to go into the dental office was like, yeah, I have that. She nods at me like this, and I'm like, do you like it? She's like, yeah, I bought it last year, it's great. She was an older lady too, like elderly, like grandmotherly like, and she says she loves it. So I figure if she loves it, and all these other reviews say it's pretty good, so I'm pretty excited. I've got some lenses and all sorts of things to try out with it, and a microphone. So the next video I do, hopefully, will be using that setup, that gear, and I'll let you know what I think about it as well. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you later. Better go cook dinner.